I'm Henry Moore III, and this is How to Mogul. Now, today I'm just doing a follow-up from the last Clubhouse video about the replays. So basically, you can't schedule it inside the club. You just have to schedule the club. You just got to schedule it. So don't just try to start from scratch. Don't start a room. What you want to do is go to the top. You see the calendar. Click on the calendar. You see all the tests that I was trying to do, trying to figure it out. Go on the calendar, right? And top right, you see the plus sign on the calendar. You click that. We'll go to test. And don't worry about that 941. For some reason, that's off. I guess I got the beta software on my phone, so that's probably what it is. So right now, it's like 11:08. So let's schedule for, you do 11:10. Not a big deal. Pick a host club. Bam. And replays is on. Test. Do publish. Bam, there it goes. So I get start room. And there we have it. It gives you the warning about make sure everybody know they're being recorded. And yeah, that's exactly how it works. So as long as you schedule it, it's okay. And I like to give a shout out to Prince from Mill because we was going back and forth trying to figure it out. Well, he was telling me he saw somebody recording there. And once we figured it out, he kind of found out for me. So I just wanted to make a follow up, put it up there so you know, like, hey, as long as you schedule it, you're okay. Just don't do it on the, like, just go to start room. You're not going to be able to do it unless it's an open room. But if you actually schedule it, you can do it inside of a club. Say, if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Maybe make a video about it. Until then, peace.